trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, Mr. Buffett, you've lost $10 million today. Do you know what he said? He said, I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold. Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly.
When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who they're long. There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profits strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. You know that only Forex will give you continue getting better. Just don't give up, be in a deal.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video recording. This is the account that I want to fix. I want to work on it this morning. This is a gold account, and you can see that this gold has been pushing in one direction since July 25, 2024, and we are still managing it up to now because we are edge trader. That is one good thing about if you know how to edge. Yes, and remember, when you are trading, one of the good reasons that you are going to have a good psychology of yourself is not to use a money that you cannot put in the market for a very long time, because when situation like this happened, you will be frustrated to be trading anyhow and blow your account. So this morning I want to work on this account. I want to trim again because we know it's trimming that we normally use to manage all this stuff until we be able to get over it. Okay. So now we have I want to work on this two, this 0.09 and 0.03. 0.09 is giving me this and 0.03 is giving me this. So first of all, I want to, because I need to keep some of the profit, so I'll put 0.09 by here on my calculator. We are going to use the calculator, and the profit is, let's say 400. Let's put it that way. So the calculator said I can keep $9 out of this money and apply 391 to the one I want to edge. So I want to trim. So I want to trim 0.03. I'm going to put my 0.03 here. And what is the floating loss of 0.03? As at now is 1045. Let me put 45. And what am I going to apply here? Which is 391. 391. And I press enter. You can see the only thing I can do now is to remove 0.01 out of this. 0.01 out of this. So what I'm going to do now is to remove 0.01. So I'm going to close this fully. And from 0.03, I'm going to remove 0.01 according to the calculator, market execution, 0.01, and I'll say close. Now, I've done that. So let's see what we have. $77 as a profit there, but this is the profit. This is actual profit we made from what we did now. So which is around $60 or so. So we're going to keep that. Anytime we are trimming, we must keep profit. So that is very, very important. So now what are we going to do now is we're going to add 5. This is 6 plus 2, that is 8, 0.08. We are going to edge it again. But before we edge 0.08, we want to look at the where the price is on daily. There's no anything that can stop gold. It's like gold will still be pushing up. On H4, nothing can stop gold for now. And H1, we didn't see any possibility of anything stopping gold to go up. 30 minutes, the same thing. And 30 minutes, the same thing. And 15 minutes is the same thing. So the only thing I can do here that maybe I can think of doing is to raise pending order here. Let me put a pending order on top of this week. And if market comes down, if dollar became a little bit stronger and price fell, I'm going to use this as a what do we call it? There's a name we give, a trailing stop. I'll use the price there to do trailing stop on it if market push down. And if market, the advantage of what I'm going to do now is if market keep on going up and it hits this to edge, my equity will suffer a bit again. But if market come down and I started using the price pending order to trail it, my equity will appreciate. So, having said that, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my buy stop here, and I will see how it's going to play out. So, remember, we are going to use 0.08. That's what we calculated here, which is a 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. We are going to buy 0.08 at a pending order. So, buy stop, and at what price? Which is 3318.63. So that is what I have to share with you guys this morning. Let's see how it's going to play out. This is our pending order, and we can see, like I'm saying, gold is not a joke, and you can see many people rush to gold and to trade it is the one that normally ruin many people's account. So I believe it can ruin this account because we edge, and since July 25 we have entered this trade, and we are still managing the account till today using edging principle. So this is one of this my I think this should be my first um, collection trading of the week. So let's see if I will still have opportunity to have more trades so that I can upload uh, for my people to see how uh, market of gold has been uh, behaving lately. Thank you very much. Until we meet in another video section. Thank you. Bye.